Welcome to the fourth video of chapter 2. Today I'm going to introduce about the absolute values. So what exactly is absolute values? The formal definition of the absolute value is the distance of a number x from origin and denoted by modulus of x. Dalam bahasa mudahnya, absolute value ialah jarak sesuatu nombor itu dari origin. So let's say if we have modulus of -3, we are talking about how far is -3 from the origin. So we have to draw the number line. So you have -3, -2, -1 and 0. Okay. So -3 is 1, 2, 3 units away from the origin. So modulus of -3 is 3. What about modulus of 3? So same goes to modulus of 3. So 3 is 0, 1, 2, 3. So modulus of 3 is also equal to 3. Okay. Same goes to modulus of -5. Modulus of -5 will be equal to 5. So absolute values will always be positive because we are talking about the distance. Okay, now we are going to go through the properties of absolute values. So we have 5 properties here and we are going to go through one by one. The first property is the absolute value of A is equal to the absolute value of -A. For example, if we have absolute value of -3, then from what we have learned just now, we know that absolute value of -3 is equal to 3. And then absolute value of 3 is also equal to 3. So that means absolute value of 3 is equal to absolute value of -3 equal to 3. The second property is the absolute value of A plus B is equal to the absolute value of B plus A. For example, if we have absolute value of 2 plus 3, the location 3 plus 2, then the left hand side you got absolute of 5. This one also absolute value of 5. Both is equal to 5. From the example, switching the position of A and B will not affect the answer. The third property, absolute value of A minus B is equal to the absolute value of B minus A. So, for example, if we have absolute value of 2 minus 3 and then absolute value 3 minus 2, switching the number. So the left hand side you got -1 and then this one you got absolute number of 1. So absolute value of -1 is 1 and absolute value of 1 is also 1. Okay, the fourth property is the absolute value of AB can be rewrite as the absolute value of A times the absolute value of B. So, for example, if we have the absolute value of 2 times 3, we can rewrite it as absolute value of 2 times absolute value of 3. So from the left hand side we got absolute value of 6. Absolute value of 2 is equal to 2 absolute value of 3 is equal to 3. And then both we got 6. The last property is absolute value of AB can be rewrite as absolute value of A over absolute value of B, provided that absolute value of B cannot be equal to 0. So, for example, if we have absolute value of 2 over 3, we can rewrite it as absolute value of 2 over absolute value of 3. So the left hand side is equal to 2 over 3. Absolute value of 2 is 2 and absolute value of 3 is 3. So equal for both sides. So that's it for today. I hope you will learn something from this video. Thank you.